subscribers, and he has like 500,000 subscribers. Fucking insane. That's a month, actually.
Ryan's Outdoor.
At the light, turn right onto Concord Avenue.
I was wondering how he fucking
Day in the life of fence guys.
was buying everything.
In half a mile,
On the way
at
to
the
McDonald's.
roundabout, take the second.
First fence video. Day in the life of some fence guys.
Do you have a tripod?
I don't have a tripod, so that's gonna be the first buy. It's gonna be the first purchase with a head strap. And that's gonna be tomorrow's video. We're gonna have a head strap. Today's gonna be fucking.
You have a head strap?
Not yet.
At the
No.
roundabout,
Oh, I thought you already had one, like you already
onto
bought one.
No.
Brook Parkway.
I have
Then
like
turn right
one that
into
went on
the
a
parking
helmet,
lot.
like my quad helmet. Kinda already used that one though. They only give you one. There's the truck.
All right.
Digging holes.
Why my barn?
I know, where's the boss barn? Nick, the vlog, fence guys, what are we doing?
Digging holes, man.
Is this gonna get age restricted?
Probably.
Alright. Here. Like a couple weeks ago.
Why?
I don't know, I just wanted to get one. When I got my quad, I wanted one. And then 8-foot fence going up. Welcome to the first video, J.AndrewsFence Company. Just wanted to add a little commentary for this part so that I don't get a copyright strike on my first video. But maybe I could just talk about the job that you're seeing here, which is just a 8-foot high, 3 sections right in front of a garage. It's a little bit of a weird layout, but we are adding gates on both sides down the line. The customer added that on a couple days after he put in the original layout, so those weren't there yet. The second job was also in Belmont, was just a gate repair, and then we were in Medford at the end of the day just fixing up a little railing section. Yeah, I've been fencing for about a year now with my friend's cousin-in-law's company, J.AndrewsFence. He's the one who got me the job. In the beginning of the video, I am the one in the gray hoodie, and you see my boss Johnny in the driver's seat, as well as the kid Nick. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Leave a like and subscribe. This is the first video you're going to see on the J.AndrewsFence.
Again. Right there. Dad used to hate that I would do that.
Fence going up quick. Not even 10 o'clock yet.
What?
Boys are buzzing. Camping a fence post. Watching a professional. Quick little 8-foot. Job done?
Job is done.
Buddy's scared of the camera.
No, I can't even look at the sun anymore.
Right.
Yo. What? That ain't backwards.
You got that on camera too?
That ain't backwards. 8-foot done, on to the next one. Where are we going now?
Ace.
Ace Hardware.
Turn right.
Pit stop.
Then arrive.
L brackets. Oh, it's actually pretty cool.
You look like
Job number 2. Just a little repair. Quick one. Still early.
What?
Still early in the day.
Oh yeah.
We're buzzing today. Fence from last week. Flipping a gate. Easy money. No. Can we not take Ryan's slogans? Inspiration from victory. Wrapped up the gate in Belmont. Forgot to film it. Mike and I just going in. Always make it work. Bunch of little things.
Haha.
Bunch of little things today. Little repair, gate flip, this. Easy day. Sun's out. Good day in the fence.
This thing's gonna be a unit now.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.